AQUA controller, you can set up your water pump or solenoid as scheduled or recycling times. The by schedule setting gives you a more flexible setting on your feeding time and duration, and allows up to 12 feeding schedules per 24 hours. With the by schedule setting, it would be a daily schedule, and you can set multiple schedules per day. You can have a fixed watering schedule on loop for up to 99 times when using the by recycle setting. You may not have to feed every day. At times when you need a less frequent feeding schedule, the by recycle setting allows you to have a multi-day schedule and feed the plants once every couple of days. Both settings are equally precise and efficient when it comes to the auto feeding schedule execution, and have their feeding duration precise to the nearest second. The off time can be set down to the nearest minute. Once you've selected the by schedule setting, press the Enter button to activate the setting in a total of 12 lines of schedules. You'll see the hour of the on-at time highlighted and blinking. That means it's ready for change. And you can press the up or down button to alter the hour. Press Enter again, and the minute part will be highlighted and blinking. It's the same with the second setting as well. Press Enter, and you should see a blinking tick symbol. Check and uncheck the box with the up and down button. Press the Enter button one more time to save the changes, and the LCD screen will display settings saved. After selecting the by recycle setting, select the Start, On Time, and Times for change with the up and down button. Then press Enter to activate the setting. After it's all done, press Enter again to save the changes, and the LCD screen will display settings saved. So that's how you can set your feeding schedule, and based on your feeding habit or your needs, you can choose from one of the two settings. Thanks for watching, and you can check out our other videos.